We're here again at Diva's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna have a simple breakfast for you. It's called the bird's nest. So here you go. You put a hole in the bread and then you fry it and put the egg in the middle. Okay? So we need butter, of course. So that you'll toast the bread in there. Oops, I'm almost out. But anyway, I still have some, so I need to buy a new one. But anyway, you see my flowers? Because it's springtime, so I figure out, let's have a little bit of sunshine. Diba? So anyway, so here I go. I toast my bread. So toast it. And then go ahead and put your egg in the middle. So you can, actually you can put some salt and pepper if you may. But see, this is how it looks like. There you go. There you go. This is how it looks like. So just let it fry into the pan and then enjoy. So see, simple and economical. So I will show you the finished product later. Alright, subscribe and watch my videos. Again, another affordable breakfast, cheap and easy. Just a few minutes and you have a good breakfast. Thank you. Bye. Hi, Kono Pinay Diva. So I'm back with the finished egg, the bird's nest breakfast that I presented earlier. So anyway, so here it is. I put a slice of Gouda cheese, and that's mint. But doesn't that nice? It's not perfect, but it's still good. It's cheap. It's economical and it's simple to do, and it's very light. So you have everything. You have the starch, you have the protein, and you have the dairy, which is the cheese. So enjoy your breakfast, everyone. Again, Cora Pinay Diva, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to click and subscribe and the like button and click the bell for notification. Okay, bye.